This is how to withdraw your WhatsApp payment to your AirTM account. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to enable your WhatsApp payment feature using your AirTM payment link. With this WhatsApp for Business payment integration with AirTM, you'll be able to get paid when you sell your products and services using your WhatsApp for Business. Before I dived into this practical demonstration, it is very important you know that this video is a paid partnership with AirTM. You see, with this partnership, you are going to get opportunity to sign up with AirTM, and you are going to get $3 sign up bonus. That is when you meet their requirements. You will see the link below the description of this video to make use of that opportunity. Ensure you watch this video to the end. You are going to learn more about my WhatsApp Business Mastery course, where I demonstrated how to get payments from clients around the world right from inside your WhatsApp chat. Don't miss it for anything. But wait, I need you to do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. So, how do you enable your WhatsApp payment feature using your AirTM payment link? Let me show you. I'll be using my AirTM app for this demonstration. As soon as you sign up, the first thing you need to do is to come to this place to generate your AirTM US bank account. You tap it. This is my virtual US bank account. When you generate yours, it's going to be like this, and you can easily get paid by your clients and customers that patronize you in purchase of your product and services in UK, US, Canada, or from any country. The most important stage is to generate your AirTM payment link that you can use on your WhatsApp for Business. To do that, you come to payment, you tap payment. When you tap payment, you see all this. This is what we are going to use. You can see share your link to receive payment from anyone via your US bank transfer. That is, your client and customer will be able to pay you directly to your US bank account, the one I just showed you how to generate now. Your customers will be able to pay you with any card to your AirTM account, and they'll be able to pay you through stablecoin. I'm going to show you how they will make payment. So for you to generate your AirTM link, all you need to do is to tap airtm.me. Just tap it. You can see receive payment by sharing your airtm.me link. So this is my own link. When you tap QR code, you can take a picture of this and send it to any of your clients and customer. They can make payment directly to your AirTM with your QR code. You can share this your link through your email. All you just need to do is to tap email, and you'll be able to send your AirTM payment link to your customers. And you can also send your AirTM payment link through text message. And for you to use your WhatsApp to share your link is very easy. You just tap here, you just tap your WhatsApp, and you can send this link to any of your buyers. Don't forget, I'll be showing you how they will make payment using this link in practical step-by-step demo. So you can now generate your AirTM payment link. The next stage is for you to learn how to attach your AirTM link to your product or services so that your buyers will be able to make payment when they buy this product or services. To do that, you have to locate your catalog. To get your catalog, you come to Tools, you tap Tools. This is my catalog. You can see this is my catalog manager. You can integrate your payment details in multiple ways. This is one way. It will show on your dashboard. You can see this is my AirTM payment link here, and this is my local bank account. It depends on what you decide to use and what works for you. It also depends if you are dealing with an international buyer or a local one. You go to your profile page to implement this. You can see my catalog manager with different products and services that I've already itemized and uploaded on my catalog. For the purpose of this video, we are going to use these collections, handmade jewelries and clothing. If you want to see all of them, you tap see all. These are handmade jewelries and clothing that are locally made that you can sell to your customers and clients internationally. That is the assumption in this video. If I show you this one, look at this one, authentic Nigeria Asoke. If you tap this one, this is an Asoke that I'm selling internationally just for the purpose of this video. If you scroll down, you can see I've already integrated my AirTM payment link for this product. When my customers in abroad like this product and they want to buy it, all they need to do is to scroll down and tap this place to make payment. Let me show you how you can do that. For you to insert your AirTM payment link for this product, you tap here. You can see this is authentic Nigerian coral occasion beads. You can see the price. This is the description. You tap this place. You scroll down. This is where you are going to insert your AirTM payment link. You come back to your airtm.me. You tap it. You copy this your link. Copy. You can see copy to clipboard. Then you go back to your WhatsApp for business app. You can see we are back in WhatsApp for business. You tap this place. Then you paste your link. You can see you drop your AirTM payment link. You can drop this instruction here. Use this for payment. Then you save. You can come here. You save. You can see before you know it, it will be reviewed and saved. You can see your AirTM payment link is already integrated for this product. So the next thing is to show you how the buyers will access this payment link, that is this payment link, and how they'll be able to use it to make payment to you with different multiple methods of payment, and how you are going to get your money on your AirTM account. So this is the catalog that you're going to share on your social media platform, on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere. You see, this catalog has different categories and different collections. You are going to get details of how to do this with my WhatsApp Business Mastery course. You will see the link below the description of this video. You can share this collectively or with individual products. To share this collectively, you tap here, you tap share. You have so many options to share. You can copy the link. Let's share through WhatsApp. So let's share to this my customer. You tap it. Let's also pretend that this person is my customer too. Share it. You can see what we are sharing. Follow this link to view our catalog on WhatsApp. So you tap send. The next thing I'm going to show you is how your buyers will see your catalog and they'll be able to make purchase and make payment to your AirTM account. So don't forget you are the seller now. So let's go and open the link of the catalog you sent to your buyers or that you've shared on social media platform or to your status, your channels, your group. Let me show you. You can see this is another WhatsApp now that I'm using to do this. I'm showing you how the buyer will see your catalog. So this is what I sent to a buyer. When the buyer see this, look at it, follow this link to view, you click it. Let's assume that the buyer just click this. Look at it, the buyer will see this product, and that's how they see it on social media platform, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on your WhatsApp status, everywhere. So when they tap view catalog, that is your buyer, they will see all this. Don't forget you can integrate this through your profile too, but I explain details in my WhatsApp Business Mastery course. The link is below the description of this video. This is the way your buyers will see your product and services. Don't forget that it is not only applicable to products. You can be selling services. You can be a plumber, you can be an electrician, you can be a mechanic, you can be a tailor. They will see different services that you render and the amount they have to pay before they access that services. For instance, suppose as a buyer I'm interested in this authentic aso-oke. I will just tap it. Don't forget I'm the buyer now. I will see the authentic Nigeria aso-oke. It's 50,000 naira. And this is the details of the fabrics, and you can see this is the AirTM payment detail of my seller. Don't forget I'm the buyer now. That's why I'm accessing the catalog of my seller. And by the time you scroll down, and if you're a buyer that want to pay through a local payment method, you can use this method. You can see this is my local bank account detail. It's for demonstration only. Suppose as a buyer I like this cloth, all I need to do is to tap add to cart. I can tap this cart. I can add more. That is 2 items. I can reduce from it. Now look at it, it's now 100,000 Nigerian naira. All I need to do is to place order. I just tap place order and this will be sent to my seller. So back to the seller. You see the buyer has sent what they want to buy, that is the cart. As a seller, all you need to do is to tap it. You can see this is what the buyers want to buy, 2 items of this cloth, and this is the total amount. All you need to do is to instruct the buyers to make payment to your account using any payment of their choice. You can easily type please make payment and advise with proof of payment. You tap send. So what you've done now is to send this message to the buyer that they can make payment so that you can release the product or services. Let's see how your buyer will make payment to you. So this is the buyer's WhatsApp. As soon as they receive this message, they tap it. Look at it, please make payment. So they receive this message for them to make payment. They come back, they go to the catalog, tap the view catalog again. They can decide to access the payment link here or make payment directly from the product or services that they are paying for. For instance, this product, they tap it. Don't forget this is option for local payment, but this is for international payment or a buyer that is local local that want to make payment to your AirTM account can also use it. For your buyer to make payment through your AirTM account, they will tap here, tap. Don't forget your buyer wants to now make payment. So this is my buyer now that is accessing my payment. You can see this is my name. So they have different options of payment choice. So they can pay using direct bank transfer. You know, the other time I explained to you how to generate your US virtual bank account. For instance, if I have a buyer in UK, in US that I want to mail and post these products to, they can easily make payment through my account. All they need to do is to tap here. They tap this, and when they tap it, look at it, Pay John, and the buyer will be able to access my US virtual bank account. They'll be able to copy my details and make payment to my US virtual bank account that was generated through AirTM, as explained to you at the beginning of this video. The minimum amount they can pay using your US virtual bank account is $5, and they can also use this method of payment, either debit card or credit card, to make payment to you. The minimum they can do here is $30, and they can make payment using stablecoin, that is using crypto to make payment to you. All they need to do is to tap stablecoin, and for instance, if a buyer want to pay me through this, we just tap USDC, and they can decide to use any of this method. And this is another method, different other method, over 500 banks and e-wallet on AirTM. By the time they tap here, it will take them to AirTM. Look at it, and they can use different of this method to make payment to you, and you go to get the money in your AirTM account. So let's assume you've gotten your money from your buyer to your AirTM account. Suppose your money is here. How will you get your money to your bank account in your country? It's very easy and very fast. All you need to do is to tap withdraw. Tap withdraw. You come down here. You search payment method. Payment method. You can get paid to your bank account through cash, through crypto. That is, you can convert your money to crypto wallet addresses. You can send your money to any wallet of your choice. You can use it to buy gift cards, mobile money. You can transfer your money to AirTM. I did a video about it. So, but what we are talking about is how to get the money to your bank account in your country. You tap here. You can see these are banks from different countries around the world that is supported by AirTM. For you to know the banks in your country, you come to this place, tap that place, and type your country. Because I'm in Nigeria, you can see this is Nigeria. So you can send your money to your USD account in your country. You can send to your local bank account that you'll be able to get the money in local currency. Suppose we are getting the money in local currency, you just tap Nigeria Bank. Look at it. How much do you want to withdraw? So you just type the amount you want to withdraw, and you see the amount you are going to get in your bank account in Nigeria. It will take you less than 3 minutes to get this money through peer-to-peer. I did a full video step by step of how to get your money from AirTM to your bank account in your country. Watch this video. The link of a video will come out here. Watch this video later. You can now accept payment inside WhatsApp. What do you think? How do you get paid before when you use your WhatsApp for business? Drop the comment below the description of this video. I will get back to you. The first thing you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to start with AirTM. And don't forget, you are going to get a free $3 sign-up bonus for doing that. As earlier promised, my WhatsApp for business mastery course will be launching in a matter of days. This course consists of over 70 short videos that will walk you through all the features of WhatsApp for business step by step, including how you'll be able to get paid by your clients and customers through WhatsApp payment. There's a link below the description of this video. It's going to take you to the sales page. Don't forget to please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, drop your comments, and I promise to get back to you. Don't forget to watch the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.